This is literally about to be the hottest car right now. The heat in this car right now is absolutely crazy, man. Boom, let's go. What's good, fam? This is your man Harrison back again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys what to do when you miss your entry. As some of you guys might have known, USDCAD done played your boy. It literally did me dirty. I mean, this was so dirty. So I'm going to show you exactly what USDCAD did to me and how I managed to jump in after it did the day. Alright family, so USDCAD, let's go. Let's quickly run through USDCAD right now. So this is USDCAD at the moment. We're on a 4-hour time frame. You can see that there's liquidity on both sides here. We've got tons of liquidity down here, a pool of liquidity down here, and we also got these little equal highs over here and over here too. So guys, this is going to be an absolute beauty of a trade, USDCAD trade right now. So now check this out, family. Yeah, so now you can see like there's tons of liquidity down here. We can see that price is getting lower and lower and lower and lower and lower, right? Guys, this is how we get in on a trade now. So I literally told the team, literally here, the USDCAD from the other day, I told them that what we're going to do is we're going to ride USDCAD up and then to sell it back down, right? So let me quickly go to that trade real quick. Where's the trade? USDCAD here. I said took a 4-pip stop trade on USDCAD, very risky as there's liquidity below, but playing off the last down close candle before the up move. Yeah, so guys, this was the move right here. USDCAD, we were gonna buy it all the way up to roughly these zones to then sell it back down. And guys, check out USDCAD right now. So this time frame was what? This was the 1-hour time frame. So now check out USDCAD now. USDCAD at the moment. Boom, check it out. We're so close to our TP and our entry as well for USDCAD. We're gonna ride it all the way down to run out the liquidity below. Also, I told the team this morning actually, so check this out. In the morning, I told them, look, here. So now check this out, fam. Check this out, check this out. Just want to run you through again. So basically on a lower time frame, this is what USDCAD was doing. It started accumulating up here, eventually broke through, tricked people into going short early, yeah, to selling the USD dollar pair. And guys, this is what I said. I said USDCAD is tricking people into going short early to catch out the retail traders. The real short is at 1.4050. Nice round psychological number, right? So this was it there. So accumulation, break down here. When it came back to the zone, people probably tried to sell it off, right? So now check this out. Look what it's done now. So this was on that 1-minute time frame I saw it on. So look what it did. Yeah, so it was down here at the time, right? It was down here at the time. Check this out. All this break, there was lots of liquidity above here. You know, our entry was also above here too, right? Broke and retested underneath. People went to sell it, played themselves. Why? Because look, there was still liquidity above to get grabbed. Do you understand? There was still liquidity above to get grabbed. And so it's doing that now. It grabbed it. And as you know, when it hits liquidity or hits the money, there's normally a sharp rejection, okay? Which is this right down here, this sharp rejection. And now we're moving back up, hopefully to 1.4050. And then we'll be taking our sell trade to ride it down to sweep out the liquidity on the highest time frame, on the 4-hour time frame down here, this liquidity. And once it sweeps this liquidity, it might then reject up again and then come for this, or it might even come for the very top, this liquidity over here too. So guys, I'm gonna give you guys an update as we go along. But guys, don't get played. You saw it on a 1-minute time frame, yeah? Don't get played like this. When there's money up here, they will not leave the money behind, okay? Break retest, trick the retailers to jump in. Everyone sold it. You caught a nice little one too, okay? But guys, the real entry is above here. Is above here right now. So guys, we're gonna see how this plays out. I'll give you guys an update later on. So guys, okay, so I forgot to mention this as well, USDCAD. So how I got into this entry. So we saw, even though there was lots of liquidity to be taken below, I played off the down close candle. We had a 4-pip stop loss on this one. This one is an absolute beast. This is a 1 to 27 R to R if it does hit up here. I'm literally just gonna wait for it to hit up there. As you can see what happened, look, you got the little bullish flag action going on. You got the push up, you get the retest, and then you get the actual move all the way up. You saw it on the Telegram, I called out this move. There was massive buy pressure, massive buy pressure. You know, after a massive push like this or massive buy pressure, you get like a messy correction down. This is in the shape of a bullish flag. You get the break of it, you get the retest of it, then you get the actual real move, yeah? So this is the breakout move, okay, which is the smaller move. Once you get the retest, then you get the actual real move, yeah? This is that one down here. So guys, we're gonna wait on that, okay? So this is how I got into USDCAD. Roughly, this is a 165 pip move, right? So we're just gonna wait and just wait for it to get up here. And literally, once it gets up here, TP smash, then we move into the sell. We move into the actual big move, the sell. This is what we actually wanted. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna ride that all the way down to where there's liquidity, boom, and then we're done trading USDCAD. Alright guys, so just to give you an update with what USDCAD is saying, it did people dirty down here, first of all the retail traders, so made people think that it was going to be shorted or sold from down here, you know, after the break and retest of this little zone that it was in. It played everybody, you know, they caught a few pips and everything else, but then it literally came out to stop people out, those who were selling. This went down about 20 pips. It could have hit some people's TPs, but most likely people would have been holding for a bit longer. Came out, ran out those brothers, okay? So now guys, this was my entry zone, 50 was my entry zone here, okay? USDCAD done did us dirty. Bruh. It done did us dirty. So literally from my entry, it came 2 pips from entry. Literally about 2, well, roughly about 2 pips from entry, guys. Yeah, it got to 1.40483, okay, before it reversed. So guys, I'm still holding on to this position here. Okay, I really want this 50 mark to get tagged. You know, I don't believe they're just going to stop here. Even if it doesn't tag me in, I'm not going to panic. I'm not going to be stressing myself. I'm going to wait for a lower low and a lower high to be formed, and then I'm going to jump in. I wouldn't have got my wick entry, but it's all good. I still will be in this trade. So guys, once it does what it does, I'm going to update you guys. Like I said, this better get tagged. You can't leave me. It's leaving me hanging right now, okay? Don't cheese me off like this, USDCAD. I know you can get up here. I know you can get up here right now. Okay, so guys, we're just going to wait and see. It's about 2:58 p.m. in London. I'm going to wait to see whether it actually gets up here.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so just a quick update on USDCAD. So you can see USDCAD just been doing us dirty. Literally our entry, literally just under 2 pips from our entry over there. So that was very, very annoying that it did not add us in. Then it actually created a bearish flag on the 1 minute. I saw this, but I still didn't jump in because I still believed that it could get up here, okay? So I'm still holding my trade for now. I'm going to wait to see what happens at London close. London close, you might see a little spike up, okay? Then I'll be able to catch that all the way down. But as you can see, it is creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. But I'm going to wait to see, man, because I still have a slight feeling that it could come up to tag us in, okay? So yeah, guys, yeah, I'm going to wait and see. Alright guys, so another update on USDCAD. I'm still not in it yet. I'm very annoying, but yeah, I can see that price is now pushed up to make a push up. It's breaking and retesting above these zones. So guys, we're hoping, man, we're hoping for it to come up here and tag us in. So guys, so that's the update for now. Already super cheese that it came literally just under 2 pips from my entry before moving down a good. So from here down to where it's gone so far, it's moved down roughly about 30 pips, family. Alright guys, so I've just jumped in with my pair, so I saw that price had broken back through into this range down here, then it broke underneath the range, came up for a retest, and now your boy's in with a 4 pip stop loss, and we're going to see how this goes, man. This is a 3% trade, 4 pip stop loss, and you know where our targets are. So this is how it looks close up. So look, boom, look at it, it came up probably about 2 pips above our entry. Entry was literally just on this line, roughly about 21. It came up to 23, 2 pips above, but now it's shooting back down. Alright guys, so literally it's 6:27 now, literally evening time in the UK. So I'm about 20 pips in profit now, so I'm going to go ahead and risk through my trade. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let it run all the way to TP. Right now it's currently swept these lows down here, so there might be a little retracement for a continuation. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and risk through my trade now. The boy is good. I've gotten to the trade, so ideally when I go down to the 5-minute time frame, you will see that I wanted to get in literally at 50. It done played your boy. Missed it by less than 2 pips, right? So I managed to get in over here, okay, down here, literally on the breaking retest of the bottom of this of the range that it was ranging in. Okay, and so yeah, I missed out on about 30 pips in total, but it's all good. I'm still going for roughly about 170 pips, and yeah, I might even add positions as we go down. But anyway guys, I just wanted to give you an update of USDCAD. So your boy caught it finally. It tried to plague me, but your boy is now in it. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's Bank Holiday Monday today, the 25th of May. And I just wanted to give you an update with regards to USDCAD. So you know USDCAD done played the boy from up here already. So now guys, look, when price pushed up into here, I added a second position for USDCAD. So I have one at the breaking retest of the bottom of this little range here that it was doing when it was trying to flush out all the retail traders. So I've got one position here, okay, at the breaking retest of all of that action over there. Then price pushed down, came up again. Literally here, I jumped in again when price pushed up into this kind of stick right here, boom, and sold it all the way down, right? So now we're in profit. I didn't risk the trade. As you can see, over the weekend, actually, it gapped all the way down into profit. You can see price is down here now. So I'm looking to add another position. I'm looking to add a third position right now to this trade, okay? So let's look at what happened right now. So look at this, boom. I always tell you equal highs are targets. They make you think they're going to set it down, boom, smashed straight through that point. And now we're going to wait for price to come up into our zone. Look how small, 4 pip stop loss, and then I'm going to add my second position for price to move all the way down to sweep out that liquidity to the bottom side as well. So guys, that's the update right now, 12:27, literally midday on the 25th of May. This is what we're working with. Alright guys, so we're back again at 1 p.m. right now. So guys, look at this. Once again, it did the dirties again. Check this out. Once the price to come up here, and it came literally just to the zone down here and then reverse. That's all good because I did manage to get in for the breaking retest of here at 1.3989. So that's for my entry now. So that's my third position in USDCAD. I still have this position open just in case it does try to play me, come back up here and then tag me in. But yeah, we're going to see how this one goes. But right now, that's the third position in USDCAD. So this is how we're playing USDCAD at the moment. It's dropping all the way down. We're good, we're good, we're good. So because it came just shy of my entry by literally 1.7 pips, I did enter off the breaking retest of this little section down here, but I still held on to this just in case it was going to come up and tap it and then shoot down. So as you can see guys, what happened, price came down, came up here, this was my entry, came down, produced a higher low. So this was my indication that price was not going to go down, it's literally going to go up. So that position was closed, and then this position here got activated. And look at this, family, look at this, how many pips did it go up against us? So if we do this now, so from entry, which is roughly here, to where price is now, we're talking about what, 1.4 pips in drawdown, okay, literally against us. And then it shot all the way down, roughly about how many pips did it shoot down? It shot all the way down roughly about 25 pips. So now I'm in this trade with 3 positions, and I'm going to keep on adding positions to a certain point, and then I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to let the positions ride all the way down to go and smash out the liquidity at the bottom. But yeah guys, this was good. This is how we trade. This is how I trade, man. So keep it nice and simple, no need to complicate the thing. It gets to our entry, it tags us in. People say, oh snap, how do you really gain such a huge percentage per trade or in a few days? Is this, look, my stop loss is 4 pips, yeah? And if I'm risking 3% per trade, then this is how you return back 60% in one trade. You see it? But guess what? I'm in this so many times from here as well, yeah, that I'm gaining a lot more on the account.
The next day.
All right, family, so today, what day is it today actually? So today is the 26th of May, 26th of May. And as you can see, look, like I've been saying, this is USDCAD. I literally traded this up with the smaller stop loss, like a 6 pip stop loss on this. And it came literally 1 pip or just about 1 pip shy of my entry. So that would have been my first possible entry. But nonetheless, I managed to get 3 different entries on this pair. When it pulled back just a moment ago, so I'll show it to you on the 1 minute time frame real quick. So on the 1 minute time frame, when it pulled back to here, okay, we're here. When it pulled back up, I saw that it came in to fill in this little imbalance over here, jumped in again, sold it down, okay? But as you can see, family, check this out. Look, smash TP. It smashed TP. You can see it better on the 4-hour time frame. So this is how we trade. This is how we trade. This is how we trade. It just smashed TP, you know? Boom, this is beautiful. So this is what swing trading is about. So literally from here, literally the 22nd of May to the 26th, roughly about 4 days, obviously the weekends included in that as well. 4 days altogether it took me to get to my overall target. Just wanted to show you guys how I trade. On Instagram, I've been posting, you know, the actual trades that I'm in, so you guys can actually see that I'm in those trades as well. I also posted in the community tab. Whenever you miss a trade, don't sweat. There will always be other entries, other possible entries for you guys to get in. And one of the last thing I'll say is this: I like to get in all my entries before the big pushes, because when it pushes down, it doesn't come back. That's what I really want to show you guys. But anyway guys, that's going to be the end of the updates regarding USDCAD. Hopefully you guys took some value from that video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm pretty sure we're going to do this, man. We're going to do it real soon as well. But thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and remember to turn on my notifications so you guys are aware whenever I release these bangers. And until next time, don't sleep.